Good morning, student. Welcome to your SST class. Today's date is 7 December 2020. Okay. And this class is your SST class. Students, according to your syllabus, first chapter, our natural resources is completed now. Today we will discuss a new chapter. So everyone open your SST book. This is your SST book. So everyone open your book and page number 76. And this chapter is chapter 13. The chapter name is chapter 13 and it is the soil. It is the soil. This is your new chapter and today we will discuss about in this chapter what is the soil and formation of soil and types of soil. Okay, first student, all of you read this chapter very carefully 2 times. How many times? 2 times. Okay, so everyone open your books, page number 76, and all of you read now this chapter. I read now first paragraph here. The soil is a great gift of nature to the mankind. Just imagine, without soil, we should have little to eat. A great variety of soil in India makes it possible to grow a vast variety of crops. This time all of you read now this chapter as well as. Okay. How many times? 2 times. Okay. And what is the soil? Soil is our support system of life. Without soil we can live? No. Because of that we are eating now some foods like that, some grains, millets, fruits, vegetable, each and everything we are obtained from the plant. And this plant where are grow? This plant where are grow? These plants are grow in the soil. Yes or no? Yes, na? That's why soil is very important natural resources and we cannot live without soil. Okay, it is our support system of life and it is a great gift of nature to the mankind and it is very useful to us. Okay, and what is the soil? The soil forms the top layer of the earth's surface and it's 1 centimeter and it's 1 centimeter layer of soil. The result of nearly take time near about 1000 year. It means 1 centimeter, student. 1 centimeter is this. This is a 1 centimeter. Okay. It means one layer of the soil, 1 centimeter to make now too much times. How much time? Too much time, and its time is near about 1000 of years. Okay. Then what is the soil? First point is here. What is the soil? Soil is a great gift of nature. Great gift of nature. First point is here, and it is our support system of life. Yes or no? Yes, it is a support system of life because all green plants and all many living organisms, microorganisms, they are living and grow in soil. That's why soil is very important to us. Then come to the next topic, how it is formed. It means formation of soil. It is very long process, students. It is very long process. Soil formation is very long process. many small living organisms, and many plants are dead in the soil and they are mixing. Okay, first point is this. Okay, student, first point is clear now. Then after that, weathering of rocks. Weathering of rocks occur due to the heat, wind and flowing of water break down the rocks into the small pieces. Okay, these small pieces break down further to form tiny particle. It means very small particles of soil. After that, the wind, rain, river carry the soil to different places. Okay, to different winds and flowing water break down the rocks into the small pieces, and these small pieces, after that these small pieces further to form tiny particles of the soil. This process done by the many years, okay, thousands of years, and 1 centimeter of layer, 1 centimeter near about this. Okay, student, 1 centimeter layer is made by thousands of years. Okay, students, this type of soil formation, weathering of rocks. Okay, here is the some picture. Look at here, students. Here is the some pictures in your book. This is the map of our country, and here different shades are color. Types of soil. How many types of soil are found in our country? Look at here, everyone. First is this light green part. This is alluvial soil. This is laterite soil. This is red soil. After that, desert soil, black soil and mountain soil. It means how many types of soil in our country found now. And here different color shade now to differentiate now the different colors of soil and which state these soils are found now. Okay, then after that, formation of this topic is clear now. I think this is also. Then after that, types of soil. Types of soil in our country. There are many types, mainly 6 type of soil. First, one by one I will discuss you. First is alluvial soil. First is alluvial soil. Okay. This soil is greatly from place to place, and this soil is most fertile soil, and it is found in the northern parts. Look at here. This part is northern part. This green part, student, this part is northern parts in our country, and it is called the alluvial soil. And this type soil is formed by the deposition of silt. Okay, and which type of crops are grow in this soil? Like that, rice, wheat, okay, jute and sugarcane. Also sugarcane, etc. Then move to the second soil, that is soil, desert soil. Desert, this is desert means the sandy place. It means that soil is found in our country. Which part? This is your book. This part. This is western part, and here is some dotted R showing in your book. Look at here, everyone. This part and this western part, and this soil is sandy soil, and this soil particles are very big, and this soil is very poor water holding capacity. Okay, poor water holding capacity, and it is sandy and saline in this area. It means in western part of our country, in Rajasthan, and here is part of Gujarat coast. Okay, in Gujarat coast area where the salt content is very high, so salt forming is practiced here, and we obtain salt by the evaporating the water out of the soil. Okay, understand, student? And due to in this reason, which type of crops are grown in the desert area? It means like that basra, because here is very poor, this soil is very poor water holding capacity, so many cactus plants and millets and bajra are grown in this type of soil. Okay, this topic is clear now. Then after that, third point and third soil is, here some examples are like that: millets, some places cotton, wheat also, and bajra. Okay, cotton, this type of crops are grown here. Then after that, third point is that is black soil. Black soil. Black soil. Its soil color is which color? Here is a name. Its name is black. It means this soil color is black. Why its color black? Because this soil is formed by the rocks made by the lava, volcano lava. Okay, and this soil, where it is found now? In western part of Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau, students, remember that this southern part is Deccan Plateau. Deccan part, its western part, like that Maharashtra is here. Okay, black soil. And look in your book, this is a black soil. This grayish part is black soil. Okay, and this part is made by the rocks made by the lava. And which type of crops are grown in this soil? Like that cotton and sugarcane is best from growing this type of soil. And black soil is good, very good for cotton. Here is some cotton plant. Look at here, everyone. And the examples are like that cotton plants and sugar cane. Okay, then that is red soil. Red soil, its soil is color. This soil is found now in our country, like that Odisha, Chhattisgarh. And in your book, look at everyone here. This is a red color soil. And this reddish part, look at here. These states are contain red color. This red color soil. Okay, this soil is not very fertile to many crops. And in this soil, which mineral are found now? Why its color is red? Because iron. Okay, and it is not very good for crops. It is not very good fertile. Okay, and which type of crops are grown in this soil? Like that groundnut, millets. Okay, and pulses also. Okay, then this soil in the coastal plain is irrigated by the river canals, and it is very good for which crop? Rice and sugarcane. And rice is also called, student, paddy crop, because rice crop is need to too much water. That's rice is called paddy crop. Okay, then hope you all of you understand these four type of soil. Then after that, number 5 is mountain soil. Mountain soil. Mountain soil is mainly found in hilly slope, is very thin and poor, and this type of soil is good for growing fruit trees. Which fruit trees? Okay. The hilly areas generally have orchards. Orchards, what is the meaning of this word? Orchard means fruit gardens. It means fruit farms. Okay, students? And hilly slopes are generally cut into step the farming to do terrace farming, because suppose student, why in a hilly mountain area the farmers are doing terrace farming? Because of that there is a no plain surface. Okay, that's why the farmers easily doing now terrace farming, and there are too much rain sometime, so terrace farming, like that. One step is here, after that this, after that this. That's why if there is a rain too much, the water flow easily now. Okay, and that's why in mountain area the farmers are doing terrace farming. And this is the picture of fruit orchard. Look at here everyone in your book. And here in which state this type of soil is found now? Look at here, this mountain soil. Here this is Jammu and Kashmir, and some here Pradesh, Sikkim is here, and some part of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, this part of farmers are doing terrace farming. Okay student, I think this topic are clear now. After that the last, and maize is also, because this crop is not need too much water. Okay, then after that number 6 is laterite soil. Laterite soil. Laterite soil. Laterite soil on the hilly slope of the south crop like tea, coffee, rubber and cashew nuts and pepper are grown in this type of soil. Which type of crops are grown here? Like that, tea, coffee, rubber. This type of crops are grow in this type of laterite soil, and these crops are called cash crops. Cash crops. What is the meaning of cash crops? Cash crops means like that student, like that sugar cane, jute, tea, etc., which are readily sellable and can earn good profit. Okay, cash crops. Okay students, the laterite soil is found in the areas with heavy rainfall. Remember that laterite soil, where it is found, where it is heavy rainfall and the temperature is very high. The large quantity of manures and fertilizers need to added to this soil to make it fertility, because this soil fertility is not good. That's why to improve the fertility, to make it, to use now some manures and some fertilizers. Okay, brick making. Laterite soil is used for making bricks, for and where we are using now bricks to constructing houses, buildings, some buildings. Look at here, here is the brick making. And which soil is used now brick making? That is laterite soil. Okay student, look at here everyone. And this soil is not very fertile. Farmers use manures like that, cow dung and green manures, and they use to fertilizer and to increase the fertility of this laterite soil. Okay student, hope you all of you understand this types of soil. What is the soil, formation of soil, how soil is formed now, and how many types of soil are. Soil is 6 types now according to your book. Okay, and this all topics are clear now. And then this is the last topic. In the last, soil is very important natural resources, and we must protect this natural resources. And one more thing left is here, soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion. Soil erosion. What is the meaning of this word? Look at here, everyone. Soil erosion is also by the deforestation. What is the meaning of deforestation? Deforestation means to cutting the trees. First thing, we should stop the soil erosion. First, we should more and more planting now. Too much plants now. Okay. And soil erosion. What happened in soil erosion? Removal of the top soil by running of water, by strong winds. Removal of top layer of the soil. It means this is called soil erosion, and we should more for stop this. What we should do now? We should more and more planting trees. Okay. And step farming and terrace farming are doing now the hilly slopes. Okay, student, your chapter is clear now. I hope you all points are clear now.